going on, YouTube? My name's Edward.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
You're now tuned in to Civic Dad. So in today's episode, I'm actually really excited for it. I've been waiting for a minute for this one. We're actually going to be installing a MOMO steering wheel.
You're goddamn right.
Let me show you what I got. So, I got an NRG short hub that I actually found on another Civic in the local junkyard. Pretty cool, huh? Next, we have our MOMO quick release. It's an all black quick release, nothing crazy, simple. We'll do an unboxing, I'll show you how it looks. And last but not least, we have our MOMO Monte Carlo 350mm steering wheel. I'm super excited to get this into the car. I can't wait to show you. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so now that you've seen everything, it's time to get started to install the steering wheel. So let's go ahead and do this. The steering wheel is relatively easy. There's plenty of videos out there that shows you how to install these. First off, there is a cover in the back of the steering wheel that you're going to want to remove, because that is where your hardware is at. The mounting points for the airbag. And before you do any work on this, you're going to want to disconnect your battery. The last thing you want is the airbag popping off on you. So, get your battery disconnected. Pull these two tabs off, and you will have access to the retaining bolts that hold the airbag and the horn in place. With those covers off, like I said, you'll have access to the mounting bolts for the steering wheel. There's going to be one here and one on the other side, and it takes this little guy right here. I can't remember what the name of it is off the top of my head, but I will find out and I will include it in the description. So, it should be pretty easy to unbolt this, unless for some odd reason from the factory yours is bolted super tight, which I doubt it should be, but for the most part it's pretty simple. I think the hardest part is this windshield wiper handle here. Let's try this. Alright, now that we have better access, this should be pretty easy.
That's what she said.
There we go. Alright. Like I said, you're just gonna undo these two bolts. In my case, there's one on the top and one on the bottom. Now, this is not my first steering wheel that I've installed. I have installed steering wheels in plenty of other cars, such as my 94 Celica that I built many moons ago. Yeah, I said many moons. I'm old.
You disgust me. Go on.
and I had one on my 99 Eclipse. That one I did not put on. My brother actually installed his. But the concept is still the same. Remove your old steering wheel, attach your hub, and in this case, attach the quick release. Alright, so just like that, the steering wheel comes out. And as you can tell, there's no power. On the back of the airbag, there is a bunch of plugs and connectors. There is one for the airbag and two for the horn. The horn's relatively easy to pull off. You just pinch and pull, just like any other clip. Just like that. And the airbag slides out of there. You just pull on that, and it pops right out. So this right here. Okay, once you've done that, the airbag is off. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is find a 19mm socket, and we'll get to pulling this nut off. We're back with our 19mm socket. We're just going to go ahead and put this on here and crank away.
Damn!
Right. Now with these steering wheels, especially if it's the original factory steering wheel on your 96 to 98, hell, even 99 to 2000, it's going to be a little tricky to get off. So what I recommend doing is hitting it on either side and wiggling it off, work its way off.
6.5 hours later.
All right, and just like that, it came off. So even though we're not going to use the steering wheel anymore, let's just go ahead and ravel this all back up. Forget it, whatever. But yeah, see, steering wheel is off, just like that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the column cover and get this clock spring removed. So let's get to that. There are 3 bolts. There are 2 located here and 1 at the bottom. So they are Phillips head screws, nothing special. Once you get those removed, the column cover squeezes together and comes apart, as you will see momentarily. Just like that, you just squeeze it together. Work one side, and then slowly work the other. And just like that, it's off. There are 3 retaining screws, 2 right here and 1 right there. Remove those and the clock spring should come out without any issues. Alright, and just like that, the clock spring is out. This wire right here is your horn wire, which is the only wire that you will need. Is the correct wire for the horn. What we're going to have to do is cut the plug and splice in our own wire. This wire will in fact make contact with our NRG short hub. So here we go. We're going to cut this plug off, and that should reveal our wire. Now what we need to do is strip back some of this installation. That way we have some more room to work. Alright, so we'll grab our wire strippers here to expose the wire. This way we can put our wire on. Let's ask this guy.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm going to show you how to install a quick release steering wheel in your track car.
I said, ooh.
Alright guys, and there you have it. You saw the product, you saw the installation, and you saw the results. Honestly, this has probably been the best investment I've made so far. The steering feels amazing. The steering wheel itself feels good, it feels sturdy, it feels strong. Steering is easy, and the removal and install of the quick release is super easy. I couldn't have asked for anything better out of a steering wheel. So if you guys are thinking about picking up yourself one of these steering wheels, I highly recommend you do it. You'll be glad that you did. Again, I want to thank you guys for taking time out of your day to check out this video. You guys take care. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.